with regards to using Cypriot companies in tax plan in planning structures. So, for example, if someone is in Portugal under whatever scheme they may have there, for example, the NHR scheme, which is kind of like non-dom, but it has more holes in it. Anyway, so securities income, for example, from investment accounts in the US, it will be subject to 28%. Whereas if it is that they create a holding company in Cyprus for the US investments, it's received into Cyprus, and then from Cyprus they receive the dividends into Portugal, it would potentially be tax-free. So we've never advocated that, but I've seen other tax teams do it. But then I'm looking at your presentation earlier, and for those who didn't see it, this is being recorded, so you can just go back to have a look at it. It's pretty insightful. There were some anti-avoidance directives which may be coming into force already or soon enough. So in a structure like that, where there's no real substance in Cyprus, would it stand?
First, let me add a comment that traditionally holding structures and financing structures are very, very tax efficient in Cyprus. The structure you mentioned would work, assuming that the Cyprus company receives dividends.
Would receive capital gains. They'll receive capital gains from the US,
which is a profit from the disposal of securities.
Correct. You're absolutely correct.
Which is tax-free in Cyprus, and then we would pay this up as shareholders as dividends. So, from a Cyprus perspective, we don't have any withholding taxes. So this is quite tax efficient. Now, what we mentioned about Anti-Tax Avoidance Directive 3, is passive income is one of the risks, let's say, in the test. And good thing is that we still have time to, let's say, tidy up our structures. For example, by setting up an office, having employees managing the accounts from Cyprus. So there are actually quite a few things we can do to strengthen our position in Cyprus.
So you're advocating creating real substance, economic substance in Cyprus for the structure to work. Okay.
And then actually something that we see companies create enough, they're even transferring their headquarters in Cyprus. So we're moving into that direction.
Okay. Right. So in other words,
this is an international, it's not something that is happening only in Cyprus.
So then Cyprus is quite an attractive jurisdiction for like a family office type structure.
Yeah.
So that's
absolutely
so being encouraged. Okay, that's good to know.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.